Hey guys, we're back in the workshop and today I've got a really cool project for you because we are working on the Corvus knife, which is the smaller brother of the Indomitor. So the first step is going to be I have to mark out some center lines so I can grind those bevels centric to the middle of the knife. And I'm going to use my trusty old blue die cam, and this is a really nice scribing agent. You can also use a Sharpie, but the blue die cam is more heat resistant and it doesn't get washed away by your hands and by the water and all that kind of stuff. And I'm just going to mark out the whole bevel also because I just get a nice reference, and also when I want to scribe something on the flats of the knife, I have already that blue die cam on there. So I've gotten all the knife pre-ground for the heat treatment, and now I have to wrap up the knife in some heat treating foil, and that is going to protect the steel from the hot environment, and so we don't get any decarburization on the steel because we don't want to lose any kind of carbon in that steel. Now that the knife has gone through heat treat, cryo, and tempering, I can finalize the grind on this knife. So now that the knife is ground, I can start working on the handle. I'm going to use some orange G10 for that. The Corvus is now done and I'm really happy, especially with that new texture. I've tried it out in the other video with the Tanto, so you can also check that out, and I'm really loving that shape. It's a really nice utility knife that you can take on your belt, put it in your backpack, put it in your pocket, and it's not too heavy and not too bulky, but you can still do a lot of work with it. And if you enjoyed that video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, just drop them down below. I try to answer them as quickly as possible, and we'll see us next Friday.